And we're tracking a spike in COVID infection numbers in Monroe County, the highest number reported in a single day since early July. 54 new cases, that's compared to 29 the day before. Christian Garzone joining us now in studio with the details. Christian.
Well, Jack, with those 54 cases, the Department of Health says 70% of the new cases are close contacts of people who have also tested positive. The County Health Commissioner reminding us all we're not out of this yet, and we still need to take proper precautions. With 54 coronavirus cases confirmed, County Health Commissioner Michael Mendoza says 70% of the new cases are close contacts of people who have also tested positive, and nearly all report traveling outside of the area for a social event. Mendoza says this report does not include a recent outbreak at Nazareth College, where close to 20 people have tested positive. In a statement, Mendoza said in part, quote, "At this point, it is premature to conclude whether we are seeing increased community spread. The outcome of contact tracing related to today's cases is reassuring so far, but DPH is monitoring the situation very closely." He's reminding everyone to continue to maintain physical distance, wear a mask, wash your hands, and stay home if you are sick.
We need to control what we can control, and that is our own behavior. Our own behavior as individuals, as families, as workplaces, and as a community.
On East Ave, those enjoying the nightlife say the spike is concerning, but hope it's not a trend that leads to another lockdown. Using what we've learned about COVID-19 prevention will be key.
Like, you can still be out. Like, it doesn't mean you have to, be in the house, you know what I mean? Like, so I've, pretty much done everything that I've always done, and I've kind of been the same. Just being, smarter, working smarter, not harder.
I'm concerned, but I don't know if it's enough to stop me from going out. I do want to, just be as cautious as you can.
Mendoza warns being cautious will be the norm for some time.
We're a long way from a COVID vaccine here in this community in the United States.
The health department also reported 0 new COVID deaths in Monroe County, leaving the total at 300. Jack, back to you.
Christian Garzone, thank you. According to the Monroe County Health Department, there are currently 26 people in the Finger Lakes region hospitalized with the virus and 3 in the ICU. To Steuben County now, where